So here I just want to demonstrate again what the hazard is. The hazard is clothing ignition. That is a relatively small arc flash. That arc flash is 4.1 calories of incident energy. That is cotton clothing instantaneously catching fire. Duck, dive, dodge is not going to get you out of the way. You need to have it on and it needs to be deployed properly in order to protect you. So what does that look like? Exact same outfit, this just happens to be arc rated. Completely different outcome. So when we talk about life-saving pieces of equipment, this is what we mean. I take something in the previous demonstration that was life-altering and potentially fatal, and I make it 100% survivable with mitigating a lot of that potential injury by taking clothing ignition out of the equation.